Here are some very old radiators. These probably go back to the 1800s, certainly no later than early 1900s. Now, this one is definitely 1800s. So each column is sealed onto the top and bottom manifold quite differently from this one. So there's a gasket at the top in that orientation, horizontally. Same there. Lovely old radiator that, I do like them. But the American Radiator Company, of course, soon moved on from that design to this design, where the radiators are oriented vertically. They're in there and they're vertical, top and bottom. The American Radiator Company came up with two designs. One is like a conical hollow plug in there, in which case there's no gasket. The sealing is on these edges. The other type is, as you saw in the assembly shop there, using screw nipples with a left and right thread. And there, of course, you do need a gasket, as there is on this one. Now you can soon tell if it's a gasketed one or not, because you'll see two nuts there and there if it's a conical sealing type. If it's a vertical gasket type like this, then they're pulled together by the nipples inside. But if it's a conical sealant type, then two rods with nuts on the end pull the whole thing together. I've taken these apart with the conical sealants, lay the radiator down, two bits of wood and they come apart. It's quite fun to do.